Yo, 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 long time no see. What's going on, everybody? It'll be the world, man. Back at it again with another video. Today we got a 4-month review on the ArcCaptain Arc 200 stick welding machine. But yeah, you see in my stinger, you see my shit start to rust out in the stinger jaws a little bit of shit, but everything's still valid though. The shit still work. That's just cause I be abusing my shit a little bit and mistreating her. I be leaving her out in the rain and the elements and shit. She be underneath the carport and shit, but she still be getting some moisture in from being outside. You know what I'm saying? But hey, yeah, man. You see all the settings and shit I'm going through. That's 95, you know, that's regular amps. You see that first setting I clicked, that's the hot start. And then, not hot start, but arc force. And then the setting after that, that'll be the arc control. I set it backwards. The first one will be the arc control / arc force, whatever you fuck you want to call it. And the second one will be hot start. Apparently, I wasn't using any hot start this whole video. So, yeah. You know what I'm saying? I just been thugging it with no hot start and no arc force. You know, I don't never use no damn arc force. I thug without it. But yeah, man. But y'all check out these little snippets and shit that I got in for y'all. Y'all might think my rod angle is shit a little off and shit, but if you know anything about welding, especially a T-joint, you know what I'm saying? You gotta have that bitch angled in a certain way so that you tying in to everything that you need to tie into, you know what I'm saying? I ain't about to break it down and shit. I don't feel like doing all that right now. But yeah. If you know what I know, if you know, you know. But yeah, man. Today I'm just showing y'all some horizontal though. I showed some flat and some vertical welding in that last review that I did on this machine. But today I'm doing some horizontal. But yeah, man, y'all see I ain't uploaded in a minute. I didn't had a lot of shit going on, you know what I'm saying? Comment below in the comment section, you know, if y'all want me to do a little a day in the life video or some shit, you know what I'm saying, a vlog or whatever. You know what I'm saying? Y'all don't be commenting in the comment section on what y'all want to see here. So I don't be posting, you know what I'm saying? I be feeling like y'all don't be wanting to fuck with me, you know what I'm saying? I don't be wanting to watch my videos and shit. Nah, I'm just bullshitting over, man. Yeah, comment in the comment section. Any comments, any ideas, anything y'all want to see, anything that y'all want me to touch up on and speak my opinion on. But yeah, man, I'm about to shut the hell up and let y'all see what the hell this machine could do 4 months later, being used and abused out there in the rain. Yeah, left underneath the carports, in the snow, in the rain, in the sun, whatever. Yeah, it'll be the well, man. Another review 4 months later. Hope y'all enjoy.